In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the factory dome light in the Toyota Tundra and swap it out with the Meso Customs Ultimate Dome. Starting from the back here, take a flathead or a small pick. There's a little slot, pull it down. It will hinge out from the two clips. Now grabbing the dome light itself, pull on the back and hook it out. There's two pop clips and the hook's in the front. From here, unplug it. We'll take it over the bench to finish the swap. Now that we've got the factory dome light removed from the truck, we're going to disassemble it. Remove the reflector. We're not going to use that anymore. Followed by the factory 2 halogen bulbs. Taking out the new dome light. On the back side, you'll see 2 wires and 2 plugs. These are going to correspond with the 2 bulbs that were removed. What we're going to do is plug in each side. Now, just like the map lights, they're not polarity positive, negative specific. You can plug them in any way you want. They'll still work. They're a snug fit, so they make a good contact. So now both are plugged in. Now we're just going to snap in the new housing. And it fits just like factory. It's even color matched to the factory tan. Make sure the buttons still work and aren't interfering. So for the Tundra, this is split into 2 sections. One half button will do the dual color switch back on that side. The other button will do the other half of the other bank of LEDs. That's just how the factory set up. Also, the 2 buttons will select each side as well. All that's left is go reinstall it in the vehicle. Now that the dome light has been swapped over to the Meso Ultimate Dome, we're going to plug it back in. These rear hooks will go in. A little tip that I've learned to not mess up the headliner, put a piece of paper in there first. It'll give you a nice seam. Line up the 2 rear snap pins and lock it in. All that's left to do is a test. On, off, off. Good to go.